Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall iTunes completely from your computer. So keep in mind that this will likely get rid of your entire music library, so just make sure you have it all backed up and saved to another device before you proceed with this tutorial. So we're going to jump right into it, and we are going to start by heading over to Start menu, and you want to left click to open it up. Now you want to type in uninstall. And one of the best matches that comes up should say change or remove a program right above control panel. You want to left click on that. You want to left click on iTunes from this list and then left click on uninstall. It'll ask you, are you sure you wish to uninstall iTunes? Left click on yes. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. Okay, and then once you've done that and you don't see it in your list anymore, you can close out of this window, restart your computer, and iTunes should be gone. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.